Hey guys, this is the 2024 EQE AMG and I'm gonna make a quick video for you guys. I'm gonna take you guys for a quick test drive and see what we think about this car. I hope you guys like it. Share and subscribe. We're right now in Beverly Hills. I hope you enjoy the view and the traffic. That's how the car looks. There's a bunch of things that you can move and change on this car. Now I'm driving with the Sport Plus, and then as you guys can see, it's making a little noise. I hope the camera can catch it. It's super fun. The car reacts so fast. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Tell me a joke.
German engineers don't joke with cars.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Change the ambient lighting to red color.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
There we go. Beautiful.
Yes, I'm always here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As you guys just saw, I was talking with the car. We were having a conversation. And then not only that, but also you can ask for example, to open up the radio or the navigation, or even open the sunroof. Super cool, right? How is the weather today in Los Angeles?
Today it will be sunny in Los Angeles with temperatures between 48 and 68 degrees.
Awesome, very nice, thank you. Okay. And we're going to Beverly Drive. What do you drive right now? Okay guys, so this is the video from today. I would say this car is amazing. There's a lot of technology on it. It's really comfortable, and if you're looking for a luxury electric car, that's gonna be the one. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.